Hello everyone. Today I'm going to teach you ratio spread. For your information, there are two types of ratio spread, which are call ratio spread and put ratio spread. In this video, I will show you how to construct the call ratio spread. In general, the call ratio spread is constructed by buying M calls at one strike and selling N call at a different strike, with all options having the same time to maturity and same underlying asset. One thing that we should know, the call ratio spread is a ratio spread that is created only using call options. So, we should master the basic of call options before we are going to construct the call ratio spread.
Call option is a contract giving the buyer the right but not obligation to buy underlying asset at a specific price. Call option have two types, which are long call and short call. Long call is the buyer of the option, while short call is the seller of the option. In this video, I prepared a table to differentiate the difference between long call and short call. For long call, the buyer of the option believes the price of underlying asset will increase, while for short call, the seller of the option believes the price of underlying asset will decrease. The formula after the call option is exercised is ST minus K minus P for long call and negative ST plus K plus P for short call. The buyer will gain profit if ST more than K for long call, while the seller will gain profit if ST less than K. The buyer only lost the premium if ST less than K, while the seller can have maximum loss if ST more than K.
Then, we move to the example. There are three steps that we should consider to construct the call ratio spread. First, we need to calculate the strategy. Second, construct the table, and lastly, draw the graph.
Suppose you are given the following table. The question states that you have to compute the profit diagram for the following ratio spread, which is buy 400 strike call and sell to 420 strike call. For the first step, we have to identify the strategy. The strategy is long 1 call and short 2 call at strike price. Then, we go to the second step, which is construct the table. Before we are going to construct the table, we need to recall back what is call option.
First, I'm going to show you how to calculate the profit for the long 1 call. In order to calculate the profit, we need to consider either the buyer of the option, exercise, or just let go the contract. As you can see from the table, the buyer of the option lost the premium from the spot rate 280 until 400 because the spot price of underlying asset is less than the strike price. But at the spot price 410, the buyer of the call option is still lost even the spot price is greater than strike price. But the loss is only in small scale, which is negative 0.25. The buyer of the option is not having any loss from the spot price from 420 until 470 because the spot price is greater than the strike price. Next, I am going to calculate the profit for short to call option at strike price, where the strike price is 420. As you can see from the table, the seller of the call option gets profit from the spot price at 380 until 420 because the buyer of the call option is not exercised the option. The price of the call option is 6.1. We need to multiply 6.21 by 2 because the seller of the call option shorts to call. Means that the seller of the call options will gain the profit 12.42 from the spot price 380 until 420. Then, The seller of the option will have lost from the spot price 430 until 470 because the spot price is more than the strike price. So buyer will exercise the option. If the buyer exercises the options, the seller need to buy the stock at the higher price at the market and sell to the buyer at strike price. So that's why the seller lost if stock price is increased. Then don't forget to multiply each loss by 2 because the seller shorts 2 call. After we calculate the profit of 1 long call and 2 short call, we need to add up both call options to get the ratio spread.
Finally, the last step, by using the combination values, draw the call ratio spread graph.